So hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today in this video we will be looking into one of the most common problem in Windows 11, which is sound problem. If you are also facing the same problem, then don't worry, your computer is absolutely fine. There is problem in your driver, not in your computer. So before starting the video, I want you to check whether your speaker jack is properly connected to your computer or not. In order to check, you need to simply unplug the jack and again plug it in the computer. So after doing so, just go here and check whether it is muted or unmute. If your speaker is muted, then this option will look like this, and if your speaker is unmuted, then this option will look like this, and you can increase or decrease the volume button so that the issue can be fixed. If the issue is not fixed after doing that, then don't worry, we have another option. Simply go on search bar and search for a device manager. After clicking on device manager, this screen will pop up. Here you need to find sound, video and games controller and search for the device that is connected to your computer. In my case, this high definition audio device is connected to my computer, so I will right click here and go on properties, and it is saying that the device is working properly. It means that my speaker is properly connected to my computer and is working properly. So there is problem in driver. So go on driver and simply update the driver. So here you can see two options. One is search automatically for drivers and another is browse my computer for drivers. So here you need to click search automatically for drivers. This screen is popped up. It is saying that the best driver is already installed in my computer, so I don't need to install any other drivers. And if it is not saying so in your computer, then I would recommend you to install the best driver for your computer. After that, go back and again go on search bar and search for settings. Here you need to go on system and you will see here sound. Click there and here you can see choose where to play sound. So here you need to click the device that is connected to your computer. So in my case, headphones are connected, so I am here on headphones. Here if I click in speaker, then there will be issue in my sound, so I will let it be headphones. After doing so, the problem will be fixed. And if you have any confusion, then let me know in comment section. And this is it for today. Thanks for watching.